Hello friends, my name is Bhavesh Dabe and I am your Sanskrit teacher and welcome to the Sanskrit subject of grade 7. Today we will learn chapter 8 Samayah means time, and time is precious. Okay, then we'll start the lesson. Before we start the lesson, let me tell you that what we call clock in Sanskrit, that we will write here Ghati. Ghati means clock. Okay friends, and that after that vadanam. Vadanam means o'clock. When we say 12 o'clock, that means dvadasha vadanam. When we say 11 o'clock, that means ekadasha vadanam. And after, what we call a needle in Sanskrit, suchi. Suchi means needle. Okay friends, after that what we call quarter past in Sanskrit, we will say सपाद. सपाद मीन्स क्वार्टर पास्ट. हाँ, हम बोलते हैं 5:15, 12:15. हाँ, उसी तरह. देन वी विल राइट हियर क्यू quarter past. Okay, then after what we'll say half past in Sanskrit, we will say sardha. Sardha means half past. Okay, half past. And then last, what we'll say, quarter to 12, quarter to 5, quarter to, we will say here padona. Padona means पौने 5. Padona means quarter to. Okay friends, got it? Ghati means clock means ghati in Sanskrit. O'clock means vadanam in Sanskrit. Needle means suchi in Sanskrit. Quarter past means sapada, that means 5:15, 2:15, 3:15 जैसे हम बोलते हैं. Half past, that means sardha. Sardha trivadanam means half past to 3 vadanam. Half past 3. Okay. Then padona means quarter to. That means जैसे हम बोलते हैं पौने 2, पौने 3 वगैरह. Okay. Now you will see here the picture and we will write here time. Okay friends. Then now first of all you can see the picture on the board. In this picture, a smallest needle on the 7 and the biggest needle on the 12. Okay, and what time we will write here saptavadanam. Saptavadanam means 7 o'clock. Okay guys, then after that you can see a picture on the board. In this picture, a smallest needle between 5 and 6 and the biggest needle on the 6. Then what we call half past 5. Okay, then we will write here half past, that means we learn it sardha. And past 5 means panch vadanam. Sardha pancha vadanam, that means half past 5. Okay guys, after that you can see picture on the board. In picture, a smallest needle on between 6 and 7 and biggest needle on the 6. Then what we call sardha. Half means sardha. Then shadvadanam. सार्ध षडवादनम. And what we will call in English half past 6. Okay guys, then after that you can see picture on the board. In picture, a smallest needle between 9 and 10 and biggest needle on the 6, then what we call half past 9. Okay, then we will write here half past 9 in Sanskrit, sardha nava vadanam. Okay, then the next picture on the board, you can see in picture a smallest needle between 2 and 3 and the biggest needle on the 6, and what we call half past 2. Okay, in Sanskrit sardha dvivadanam. Sardha dvivadanam, that means half past 2. Okay, then after the picture on the board, you can see in picture both needle are on the 3. Okay, a smallest needle also on the 3 and biggest needle also on the 3. Then what we call quarter past 3. Okay, then we call in Sanskrit, we'll write here sapada. Sapada means quarter past. Sapada trivadanam, that means quarter past 3. Got it? Then after that you can see picture on the board. In picture, smallest needle on the 4 and biggest needle on the 3, and what we call quarter past 4. Okay, and then in Sanskrit sapada chaturvadanam. Okay, we'll write here quarter past 4. Okay guys, then after you can see picture on the board. In this picture, a smallest needle on the 10 and the biggest needle on the 3, then what we call quarter past 10, and in Sanskrit sapada dashavadanam. Sapada dashavadanam. Okay guys, we'll write here quarter past 10. Okay, then next picture on the board, you can see in picture a smallest needle on the 8 and the biggest needle on the 3, and what we call in English, quarter past 8, but in Sanskrit we will say sapada ashtavadanam. Okay guys, right here quarter past 8. Okay, then after that you can see a picture on the board. In picture, a smallest needle on the 10 and biggest needle on the 9. 10 बजने में 15 मिनट की देरी है. Then we will say in Sanskrit, English, quarter to 10. Okay, and in Sanskrit we'll say padona dashvadanam. Padona dashvadanam. Quarter to 10. Okay. Then next picture on the board, you can see in picture a smallest needle on the 12 and biggest needle also on 9. Okay. Then what we call in English, we will say in English quarter to 12. Okay. Then we will write here padona dvadashvadanam. Padona dvadashvadanam. We will write here quarter to 12. Okay guys, then you can see next picture on the board. In this picture, both needle are on the 9. A smallest needle minor, we have the 9, and biggest needle on the 9. Then what we say in Sanskrit, in English, we will say quarter to 9. Okay, and in Sanskrit, padona navavadanam. Quarter to 9. Okay, then the next picture on the board, you can see a smallest needle on the 1 and the biggest needle on the 9. And what we will say in English, we will say in English quarter to 1. Okay, and in Sanskrit padona ekvadanam. Okay guys, then we will write here quarter to 1. Okay guys, got it. I hope you understand the lesson. And then after, if you turn the page, you can see a pictures in the book. You must write under the pictures what the time in Sanskrit. Okay guys, we will meet in next lecture. Bye. Thank you so much.